Buying ETFs on Interactive Brokers is one of the simplest ways to invest in entire markets, sectors, or strategies with a single trade. But IBKR's interface can feel a bit complex if you're not used to it. Setting things up correctly ensures you get accurate prices, the right ETF ticker, and the right order type. So I'll walk you through exactly how to buy ETFs. So ETFs fall under normal stock trading, but it's smart to double check. So you log into Client Portal, then Settings, Account Settings, and Trading Permissions. And then make sure Stocks or your local region is enabled. And now you can use the search bar and type the ETF ticker. Examples: VOO, SPY, QQQ, and VTI. Click the ETF and then hit Buy. Then enter the quantity and order type, then time in force, day or GTC, and click Submit. And once the order fills, open your portfolio tab to see the ETF position, average cost, market value, and unrealized P&L. And to sell, simply click Sell next to the position. And that's how easy it is to buy ETF on Interactive Brokers. Once you know where to search, how to place the order, and how to check your position afterward, the process becomes quick and reliable. Enjoy the video, friends. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.